American society has a complicated relationship with aging. On one hand, youth is glorified, with vitality seen as synonymous with success. On the other, old age is often viewed as a period of decline, as if turning 70 means life slows to a halt. But does aging really have to be this way? The truth is that many seniors continue to drive, travel, and live independently, proving that an active life should be the norm, not the exception. One of the biggest misconceptions about aging is that muscle loss and weakness are inevitable. This belief holds back countless seniors who could be living with strength and energy but instead accept frailty as their fate. However, science tells a different story. Muscle strength can be regained at any age with the right approach. The key is consistency, proper exercises, and a determined mindset. Think about this: while many assume aging means slowing down, others have rewritten that narrative. Feeling weak, experiencing pain, or lacking energy doesn't mean it's too late, it simply means your body is asking for action. Exercise for seniors can combat muscle loss, prevent falls, and significantly improve well-being. Imagine waking up feeling stronger, having more energy to enjoy life, and reclaiming your independence. This is possible. If you want to change your reality and regain strength, let's dive into 5 simple yet effective exercises that can transform your body and quality of life. Squats are one of the best exercises for seniors because they mimic everyday movements like sitting, standing, climbing stairs, and picking up objects. When leg and core strength decline, basic tasks become difficult, making independence harder to maintain. A great starting point is the chair squat, a simple adaptation for beginners. Sit down and stand up slowly without using your hands. If this is difficult, begin by controlling the descent and gradually progress. The key is to build strength gradually. Follow these golden rules: keep your feet shoulder-width apart, maintain a straight spine, lower yourself only to a comfortable point, and use a sturdy surface for balance if needed. Safety is a priority. Many people fear lifting weights in old age, but resistance training is one of the best ways to prevent muscle loss. With a consistent routine, it's possible to not only slow but even reverse muscle decline. You don't need to lift heavy weights to see results. Start with light dumbbells or even water bottles. A simple beginner-friendly exercise is the arm weight lift. Hold weights at shoulder height, then slowly lower them. Over time, this strengthens the arms, improves balance, and boosts endurance. To avoid injury, start light, maintain proper posture, and warm up before each session. Never rush progress. Gradual improvement is key to long-term success. Upper body strength is crucial for daily activities like carrying groceries, opening doors, and maintaining balance. Push-ups are a powerful exercise for strengthening the chest, shoulders, and arms. For beginners, wall push-ups or countertop push-ups are great alternatives. Simply place your hands on a stable surface, keep your body straight, and lean forward, bending your elbows. As strength improves, you can progress to lower surfaces or floor push-ups. Form matters. Engage your core, avoid arching your back, and focus on controlled movements. Progress at your own pace. What matters is consistency, not speed. A strong core is essential for good posture, back pain prevention, and most importantly, fall prevention. Falls are a major health risk for seniors, and strengthening the core is one of the best ways to reduce this danger. The plank is an excellent exercise for core stability. If you're new to planking, start with a modified version by resting your forearms on a table or wall. Hold the position for 10 to 15 seconds and gradually increase the duration as your strength improves. Eventually, you can progress to planks on the floor. To perform planks correctly, keep your body in a straight line, avoid sagging hips, and breathe steadily. Consistent practice will improve balance and endurance over time. Walking is one of the best exercises for cardiovascular health and maintaining mobility. Adding light weights to your walk enhances its benefits by improving balance, strengthening muscles, and preventing muscle loss. Start with light ankle or hand weights. Just half a kilogram makes a difference. Walk at a comfortable pace for 10 to 15 minutes, gradually increasing time and weight. Many seniors make walking a social activity by joining groups or using fitness trackers to stay motivated. Knowing the right exercises is only part of the equation. Consistency is what makes the difference. Here's a simple weekly schedule. Monday and Thursday brisk squats and weightlifting. Tuesday and Friday push-ups and planks. Daily walking with light weights. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions and increase gradually. Choose a time of day that works for you, whether it's morning or afternoon, and make it a habit. One effective strategy is linking exercise to an existing routine, such as doing squats before breakfast or push-ups during a TV show. Socializing can also boost motivation. Many seniors participate in group workouts, join fitness programs, or exercise with friends and family via video calls. Staying connected makes the journey more enjoyable and increases accountability. You now know that strength after 70 is not a myth, it's achievable and transformative. Exercise can restore vitality, improve balance, and bring back independence. But the real question is, what will you do with this knowledge? Will you postpone action, or will you take the first step today? Small decisions shape your future. A single squat, a short walk, or a few minutes of strength training can lead to life-changing improvements. Imagine yourself months from now, stronger, more energetic, and confident in your movements. So, here's a challenge: choose one exercise and start today. Progress comes with action, not delay. Every workout, every step, and every effort adds up to a healthier, more active life. If you found this information valuable, share it with others who need it. And if you're ready for more tips on longevity and well-being, stay connected for more guidance on achieving a stronger, healthier future.